Your girl got another fire flyer tutorial for y'all. So as you can see on the thumbnail, but anyway, let's just go ahead and jump straight into it. So as you can see, I changed the background to the color black. Now I'm looking for a fire background, not a fireworks, but a fire background. And as you can see, that is the one that I chose. I'm not making the whole background that picture, but somewhat more than half of the background, if you get what I'm saying. But as you can see right here, I didn't make the whole background, so you don't even have to worry about that sharp line at the bottom, because I'll be using a transparent gradient, as you can see right there. So I'll be taking a transparent gradient to basically help blend it in. So that's the one I chose, the teal one. And the teal one that's you see up here, it have like two color options that you can use. So that's the one that I like using. Not only that, because it don't take up so much space, because if you was to go to any other ones, it like takes up too much space and it's not too big, and it's just like the right amount that I want faded in, if you understand. But yeah, so as you can see, I made another copy to blend it in even more. So that's basically why I love it. It don't cover up too much. So this text, as you can see, the font is called Working. And I'm going to stretch it out and make it bigger. And I'm basically going to just type in Friday. So Friday is basically going to be bigger than that. As you can see, I'm just making it bigger. So long as it don't like, so I'm making it big, like for big as you can see it. But yeah, so I got the word Friday. Now I'm going to effects, and I'm going to do some like type of shadow. I was thinking about a shadow, but lift. I chose lift at first, then I went back later, and you'll see in the video how I chose shadow, because shadow just looked it better. But yeah, I chose that at first. So either one that you want to pick, or whatever looks best to you, that's the one that you do. So I took a copy of Friday, and at the top I'm just putting the date of the party. And then so I got October the 15th. And then you go to advanced settings and adjust the line spacing and the letter spacing of that text, and I just make it smaller. Then I take a copy of that specific text, word, and push it over to the right. And this basically going to be like the time of the party. You could put like the time of the party. You could put something like 18 plus or 21 plus, whatever you want to put there in the corner. Excuse me. But yeah, now I'm going back and I'm looking for an orange blur. And what you about to see, because I wanted the what I just did, like with the day of the party and the time. What I wanted to do is just like help make them stand out. So that's why I used the blur and changed it to the color black. So I'm gonna put one on the left side, then make a copy of that once I get it put in place where I wanted it. So I'll take that, make another copy, and put it on to the right. So it'll be one in the right top, it'll be one in the left top corner and one in the right top corner. So it's just something to basically help them both stand out. Where, so you'll see. And you can even like take the go to transparency and take it down some, so it don't be as dark. That's what I should have did, but I wasn't thinking about that when I was like screen recording the video. So as you can see, what I did when I told y'all, I went back and just added the shadow to Friday instead of the lift, because I just thought it just looked better. So I just wanted to change it and just making my adjustments. So here are the numbers are actually there if you want to like put in the exact numbers. And this flyer, I posted it on Etsy, and probably like 3 or 4 days later, I started making sales from it. And then that last video that I put up, I'm telling y'all can make the money from it. If you just follow the exact thing that I give y'all, trust me, the flyers that I give y'all makes money. Cause that's that exact flyer that the last video tutorial I posted, it has become popular now and a bestseller on Etsy. So I don't just be putting out these videos just to be putting them out. I'll put them out so to help y'all make money from it. Even if you don't even want to put them on Etsy, you can still use it to make flyers for your business or whatever special occasions that y'all have. So I do what I can to try to help. But as you can see, I don't even know where we left off at. But okay, as you can see, now I'm putting the word night party, but I'm not keeping the same font because it wouldn't look right to me. So I just wanted something a little more wider, if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, but I don't want to do too much talking. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and I hope y'all learn something from the video, and that will be it. And from here on out, I will play some background music. I hope y'all enjoy. And if you're new here, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that share button, and God bless.
She said, take your time, with no rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. She said, take your time, with no rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. I'm a dog, I'm on one. I can smoke already, so cold in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty faking, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on money. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on money. I'm a dog, I'm on money. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause they try to break it in. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a man. all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong. No one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No, but I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't fake it. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can't fake for tonight. I'm yours. So tonight, the truth will stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth will stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you. Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you.
Only because you ain't here.